Today I am reviewing the eufy Security Video Doorbell E340. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what really sets this model apart: dual camera technology. Most video doorbells give you a single angle, usually straight on, but the E340 features two cameras working together. The top camera captures a full 2K view of anyone standing in front of your door, while the bottom camera points downward to show what's on the ground. Think packages, deliveries, or even small pets. This added perspective, which eufy calls delivery guard, helps eliminate blind spots and keeps you fully aware of everything happening at your doorstep. Now let's talk about image quality, because it's genuinely impressive. You're getting 2K full HD clarity, which is sharper and more detailed than the standard 1080p found in most video doorbells. Whether it's broad daylight or nighttime, the footage looks clean and crisp. But where the E340 really shines is in color night vision. Thanks to a dual light system and enhanced image processing, you can clearly identify faces, clothes, and even objects up to 16 feet away in the dark. No more blurry, ghost-like footage when motion is detected at night. Installation is another area where the E340 excels. You have two options: battery-powered or wired. The battery setup makes installation incredibly simple, perfect for renters or people who don't want to deal with electrical wiring. But if you want a more permanent solution, you can wire it into your existing doorbell circuit. What's neat is that even in wired mode, the system uses the battery as backup, ensuring constant operation even if power flickers. Battery life is quite solid too, especially with its power optimization settings. If you're worried about running out of juice, you can always pick up an extra quick-release battery to swap in seconds and avoid any downtime. This level of flexibility is something we really appreciate. In terms of smart home integration, eufy has thought of everything. You can pair the E340 with Alexa or Google Assistant, so getting notified or checking your front door is as easy as asking your smart speaker. It's also compatible with eufy's HomeBase S380 and other devices in their ecosystem. You can even connect it with your existing chime, or add one of eufy's optional chime accessories for audible alerts throughout your home. One of the biggest selling points of this product is local storage and zero monthly fees. Unlike competitors that charge you every month to access your own footage, eufy gives you full control. Store recordings locally via compatible HomeBase or microSD solutions, and never worry about your privacy or recurring charges. You own your data, plain and simple. As for build quality, the E340 is solidly constructed with a sleek, modern design that blends in nicely with most home exteriors. It feels durable and weather-resistant, capable of withstanding the elements season after season. With an average rating of 4.3 stars from nearly 2,500 reviews, it's clear that customers appreciate its ease of use, reliability, and powerful features. Whether you're looking to monitor deliveries, keep an eye out for visitors, or just boost your home security, the eufy E340 Video Doorbell offers incredible value, with premium features that rival higher-priced alternatives. To wrap it up, you get 2K dual camera coverage, color night vision, battery and wired options, smart home compatibility, and zero monthly fees, all in one streamlined device. If you want smart, stress-free home security, the eufy E340 is definitely one of the best battery-powered doorbells of 2025.